Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why's your man not here? Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl.
Hey everyone, the hair that I'll be reviewing for you guys today is from SVT Hair. And I got 3 bundles and the closure. And the bundles look good. And it's a middle part closure. Alright you guys, here's the wig that I constructed. And I'm going to share with you how I bleach the closure. Yeah. So you're going to mix your, well, my daughter is doing it for me. You have to mix the bleach and the 30 developer, and you have to mix it very thick, you guys. Very thick, and then you apply it to your closure. Now you can do this before you construct your wig, but I constructed my wig already, and then she was doing it for one of her wigs, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna have you to put on some of mine. So that's what we're doing. So as you see, she's putting it on very thick so it doesn't run through. Has to be like a paste. Then we're gonna just let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're just gonna wash it out. And this is the closure after I've washed it and conditioned it and had it dry. And you see the top is lighter, and down here is where it was bleached. Not bad, you guys. I'm gonna show you the part. See, it looks very nice. Nice, very nice color. Okay, now we're gonna part the wig. To define our part and lay it down flat, we're going to use some water and conditioner. And just spritz, and then we're going to comb it down. And like I said, you can tie it to make it flat. Tie it for a few minutes. And then the hair will lay down flat. And now we're going to flat iron the hair, you guys. I just have a Remington flat iron that I got from Walmart. And it's very nice. It does the job very well. And here's the finished look, you guys. And here's a closer look at the closure. As you can see, it's very nice, like my skin tone. Didn't have to put no foundation or anything in it. Bleaching the knots is nice, just that I'm scared to do it on my own because it will run through. Who knows, maybe in the next video I'll try doing it on my own and sharing that with you guys. But so far I love this hair, you guys. It's the Malaysian straight. The lengths I have in are 22, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. And it's a 4x4 closure, you guys. And the hair is so soft. I've been rocking it now for a week and a half, and I absolutely love this hair. The Malaysian straight. I like when the hair feels nice and soft and manageable and not tangling, shedding, and all those stuff. That's what I love. And that's what I'm getting from this Malaysian straight hair from SVT Hair. The hair is really nice. And like I told you guys before, I'm loving the bundles with the longer closure. I love the way it falls and flows into the hair when you have a longer length closure. And as you can see, it is so nice. And the ends are so nice. Also still, after all this time, the ends are still doing good. Didn't get trashy or anything like that. And the hair is so super soft. Like I keep saying, I absolutely love it. This is how the hair looks in the back. The hair is so full and nice, you guys. Can you see that? It's full right down to the ends. I love it. It's bouncy and nice. And the lengths are long. It says 22, but it feels longer than 22. yeah, you guys, I'm loving this hair. And like I said, I'm not having no problems with it. It's still manageable after a week and a half. The hair is very nice. Now, this is my first review of this hair. And I'm not getting any napping in the back area. No, in the nape area, I'm not getting any tangling there, which is super nice. And you see, I can't stop running my fingers through the hair. The hair is really soft and nice and very manageable. Now I'm going to leave a link below to SVT Hair for you guys to go over and check out what they have. And their prices are very reasonable, you guys. Very reasonable, very cheap, which is very nice. You know, diva on a budget. Yes. And I know you guys all want to have nice hair with an affordable price. Yes, don't we all? So, like I said, I'm going to leave the link below. And you go over and check them out. They have different textures, different styles. Over there, just check out what they have and get something nice for yourself. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the review that I had to do today with my Malaysian straight, and the lengths are 22, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye everyone.
Wavy, baby. I'm wavy. I'm wavy.